Hi everyone. I would like to clarify the application number 6, IT and Social Enterprise, that I assigned to you to work remotely. Okay, so in this application, I receive some of the questions from some students about how to fill up the form in the worksheet. Okay, let's see. I'll explain to you first how we're gonna do that. In this application, I would like you to read on this application first and try to just understand from the clips that you receive. This one, the business model canvas, that is 9 steps to create a successful business models. After that, the next step is that I would like you to download the worksheet, and I'll explain how to fill up the worksheet. Okay, in the worksheet, okay, the things that I want you to do is that, okay, assume that your team would like to set up one of the social enterprise. Okay, and then the things that you have to do is that I would like you to compare the social enterprise in your mind with the website that is used as a benchmark. So in this one, you can see that I give you one example of the benchmark here. Just follow the link. This is an example of the website that is one of the best social enterprise website in Thailand. Okay. So in this case, I will just copy it into a web browser, and then we go there. So the next one is that I would like you to read on this website and try to understand it. Okay, in this example, this is the Doi Tung tourism project. Okay, that they work as the social enterprise. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is that you try to use the Doi Tung tourism project as a guideline to design an IT plan for your dream proposed business. Okay, so in this one, what you have to do is that you just read one row at a time. So for example, in item 1, okay, components in the business model that employ IT, benchmark business, that is Doi Tung tourism project, while your proposed business, okay, you just assume that you would like to plan for having a social enterprise website. Okay, in terms of benchmark business, okay, for the Doi Tung tourism project, okay, do they have value propositions as a component of the business model that use IT or not? In order to propose customer segments, does Doi Tung tourism project, okay, employ IT or not? In terms of customer relationships, does Doi Tung tourism project employ IT or not? And so on. After that, you just think, if you have to propose a social enterprise as a business, for value proposition, would you like to employ IT or not? Okay, it's up to you. After that, okay, when you finish the first row, you go to the next one, IT tools in use. Okay, for Doi Tung tourism project, do they use mobile apps or not? Okay, so how to check? You just go to search in the Play Store or App Store and see whether Doi Tung's tourism project has its mobile apps or not. Assume that they have. Would you like to have it? If you don't want, you just like leave it, or you just write down that you don't want. Then you go to the next row, website or social media. What kind of website or social media that Doi Tung Tourism Project has? For sure, website they have it because I show you before this one. The next one, okay, what about Facebook, Twitter, and so on? Do they have it or not? If they have some other website or social media other than I specify in this list, you just specify it over there. And what about you? Would you like to have website? Or you said no, my business doesn't need to have website. I just want to use Facebook. Or I would like to use, suppose you say that you would like to use Facebook here means the regular Facebook account. But if you say that, I would like to use Facebook page, or I would like to use fan page, or I would like to use Facebook group, you just tick on others and then you just specify that it is Facebook group, Facebook fan page, or whatever. After that, just check what kind of or what web hosting does Doi Tung Tourism Project use. Okay, if applicable, you just write it down. And what about you? Then you have to do research a bit. What kind of web hosting would you like to have? So you just specify the name of the web hosting and the package if you would like to have. What about payment? If Doi Tung Tourism Project has something to sell and the customer has to pay, how do they pay? And what about you? Okay, hardware. Would you like to have any kind of hardware like server, or would you like to have just a regular laptop computer, something like that? Just specify. How to build up customers. Okay, website and domain name. For the domain name here, if you say that you would like to have abc.com, you just specify it. I don't want you to really register for that domain. Okay, and then just like as a gimmick, I would like you to design your homepage about your social enterprise web page. So I would like you to read thoroughly and understand what does it mean by social enterprise first before you start doing it, so that it is comparable to the Doi Tung Tourism Project here. Just that this is just for just like integrate your knowledge from having like different kind of ideas in order to just like build up the website. And after that, you just submit through the link. Okay, as usual that we just like have to submit the assignment in here. So you just submit your worksheet back and just that. So in this one, because I think I didn't clarify this one to you, then I have to just like extend the time for you. Then I'll just like extend this IT and social enterprise worksheet until next Monday by 5 p.m. Okay then. Good luck everyone.